This is the hardest interview ever, but the candidates were confused when they got the exam paper, because the paper was completely blank. There was nothing on it. The candidates were very puzzled, but they dared not speak, because before the exam started, the examiner announced 3 strict rules. No talking to the examiner or the security, no leaving the room, no damaging the paper. If they violated any one of them, they would be disqualified, and there was only one answer to this interview. After hearing this, no one dared to speak, because the first rule of the exam was not to talk to the examiner. Seeing no response, the examiner started the 80-minute countdown and left the room, staring at the blank paper. Everyone had no idea what to do. No one knew what the question was. It was not easy to land the job with an $800,000 salary. Time passed second by second. A woman finally couldn't wait any longer. She guessed the company wanted a career report, so she started writing on the paper, but before she could finish the first sentence, the examiner returned, and immediately escorted her out. It turned out she violated the 3rd rule. She damaged the paper. Seeing this, everyone quickly put down their pens. The room fell into silence. At that moment, a man started laughing. He realized the examiner only listed 3 rules. As long as they didn't break those rules, they wouldn't be disqualified. So he tried talking to the person next to him. The rules didn't say they couldn't talk to other candidates. Sure enough, the security didn't react. The man became bolder. He began to walk freely around the room. The security still didn't respond. Seeing this, everyone else started talking. They began discussing the mystery of the blank paper. A woman suggested, perhaps the paper was made of special material, and would reveal text under light. Everyone thought it made sense. They started experimenting with light, but nothing changed on the paper. As everyone was feeling disappointed, a blonde woman noticed an emergency light on the wall. She guessed that was the key light source for the paper. The man immediately smashed the light cover. The room plunged into darkness. The emergency light lit up. Excited, they took out their papers to test, but there was still no change. A man couldn't hold it in any longer. He felt the company was playing with them, but the woman with glasses disagreed. She knew this company valued efficiency. They wouldn't do something pointless. Maybe the clue was with the security guard. The rule said they couldn't talk to them, but it didn't say they couldn't touch them. So she decided to test her theory, and slowly reached out her hand towards the security guard.